It's easy to think that pressure washers are all expensive and tough to operate. They're mostly suitable for hardcore home handymen or contractors, right? Wrong. In fact, you can find that some of the best cheap pressure washers under $200 work almost as well as more expensive units. These pressure washers will let you deep clean your sidewalks, walls, car, patio, or anything else without all the elbow grease and sweat that traditional scrubbing would require. In this video, we've listed down the top 3 best budget pressure washers and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, colombiaflorist.net. Number 3. Karcher K4. The all-singing K7 is clearly the best option for regular, wide-scale blasting, but given that pressure washers aren't used that often, the smaller, lighter, and cheaper K4 full control home is almost as efficient, though it does come with a shorter hose, 6 meters instead of 10 meters, moderately lower 130 bar pressure rating, and a smaller patio attachment. Like its larger stablemate, it is also a bit clunky to pull around. We tried this prey lance at close quarters on a very grubby garden path and watched in amazement as a spotlessly clean stripe appeared in mere seconds. We also tested the patio brush using the plug-in detergent dispenser, and it tackled the dirt almost as efficiently. On one especially hot day, the K4 also served as an awesome mist atomizer when sprayed from about 10 feet away. The garden was literally filled with a super fine plume of cool mist. The K4 also accepts a multitude of other accessories, most notably a handy car brush, which you can be sure your neighbors will want to borrow. Number 2. Ryobi 3000 PSI 2.3 GPM Honda Gas Pressure Washer. The Ryobi 3000 PSI Honda Pressure Washer is another top-rated model that's worth considering. With its Honda GCV 160 gasoline engine, this pressure washer delivers 3000 PSI of force that will make quick work of dirt, mold, and grime on driveways, fences, cars, and other surfaces. It uses 2.3 GPM, and its 35-foot non-marring hose provides a long reach for those tough-to-reach areas. Unlike our top pick, the Ryobi pressure washer has an onboard detergent tank for easy soap application, and its 5-in-1 nozzle delivers maximum versatility. This pressure washer weighs 56 pounds, but it's easy to cart around thanks to its 12-inch wheels and hand truck design. It even has a quick-release handle for easy storage. Number 1. Simpson Cleaning MSH 3125. One of the best pressure washers on the market is the Simpson Cleaning Mega Shot Gas Pressure Washer. This powerful machine houses a Honda GC 190 engine for reliable power, and it delivers a whopping 3,200 PSI using 2.5 gallons per minute, also referred to as GPM, making it ideal to use on your house, driveway, patio furniture, car, painting surfaces, and more. This pressure washer has a heavy-duty welded steel construction frame and a 10-inch pneumatic tire for increased stability, and it weighs in at 55 pounds. The Mega Shot is equipped with a 25-foot kink-resistant hose, a reliable OEM axle pump, and an ergonomic spray gun, and it includes 5 stainless steel quick-connect nozzles for a variety of applications. Reviewers say this gas-powered pressure washer is easy to set up and start, and many call it reliable, sturdy, and powerful. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.